Hello everyone, and welcome to the Twinkle Kids TV Handwriting Guides. Today, we're going to be learning how to write the letter B. Practice yourself at home with a pencil and paper. Make sure you're sitting down and holding your pencil comfortably. To write the letter B in lowercase, start at the top and draw a straight line down. Then, halfway down the line, draw a loop round to join the line at the bottom. Let's try that one more time. Now, see if you can do it by yourself. Well done! You can also write a capital letter B for starting sentences or writing a name. To write a capital letter B, start at the top and draw a straight line down. Then, at the top of the line, draw a loop to the middle of the line and another loop from the middle to the bottom. Let's try one more time. Now see if you can have a go by yourself. Great work! Check out more of our handwriting guides to learn how to write all the letters of the alphabet.